When I walked out right after the storm, the devastation was just immense. So we literally had to use chainsaws to get across campus. That's how bad it was. After seeing that effort with the cleanup and then now the replanting, it's just really nice to see, and to see that the future for Coe is still going to be very beautiful here on campus.
I love nature. I love walking around in the trees and just want to do my part to make Coe back into kind of the little nature preserve in the middle of the city that it was.
I really like nature and I really like the Coe campus, and I want to be able to look back 10 years from now and be like, I planted that tree.